Hi art friends! In this video I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to draw a cardinal in the style of the artist Charley Harper. Charley Harper was born in 1922 in West Virginia. He was best known for his stylized prints and illustrations of wildlife. He worked on many projects for the National Park Service, zoos, and wildlife centers. So let's get started. For this project, you are going to need a piece of paper, a pencil, an eraser if you have one, and then anything you'd like to color with. I'm going to start with this bird first, the one that's flying. Now, you can pause the video at any point or simply just look at the directions I have on screen. So step 1 tells us to draw a circle. Step 2, a triangle on top of that circle, almost like a hat or an ice cream cone. Then you're going to erase that line inside to make one continued shape. Make sure you're drawing lightly. I'm pressing a little hard just so you can see my pencil lines. I'm going to give our bird 2 eyeballs right on the side of his head, a straight line across, and the letter U down into his body. Next, we're going to add his beak. So about halfway down in that letter U, you're going to draw a line across. We want that line to be parallel with the line above. Then you're going to draw a rainbow shape. And the top is going to touch that top line with a triangle in the middle. Lastly, you're going to add his wings, which are 2 curved lines outward, right about at eyeball level. And there you have a flying cardinal in the style of Charley Harper. Now, I went over my lines just so you can see it a little bit better. Next, we're going to do the cardinal that's standing up. So step 1 tells us to draw that teardrop shape. Now, if you're having trouble drawing that shape in one swoop, don't worry. You can do the same step you did for this one, where you draw a circle and you give it a triangle hat. Just make sure you erase that line before you move on. Next, we're going to draw a straight line, 2 eyeballs on either side, followed by that same curved U shape we did for that bird. Next, we're going to draw his beak. Now, you can make his beak as big as you'd like. On this one, I made it a little bit smaller, but on this one here, it goes almost to both sides. So to do that, you're going to draw a triangle with another triangle underneath, or a diamond. Then you're going to draw your bird's legs. Starting from his eyeballs, which I know sounds very silly, you're going to draw a straight line down both sides and give him some toes. The last step is to add the decoration for his wings, which are just simply some lines, and his tail, which is a triangle that comes off the back. Now, once again, I went over my bird with a marker just so you could see the lines a little bit better. At this point, you can color your bird with whatever you'd like to color it with. You can paint, you can use crayons, markers, anything you have, or you can simply leave it just as a line drawing. I hope you have fun doing this project, and I can't wait to see what you create.